the last piece of the puzzle, at least for our balance sheet, and that is our owner's equity section. Yeah, what's an owner's equity section? Good question. So there is an accounting definition, which I have put up. I always do that, which I've put up right here if you wanted to look at it. Ultimately, your owner's equity is sometimes referred to as your net assets. The reason for that is the accounting equation, which is assets equals liabilities minus owner's equity. So if you rework that equation, owner's equity ultimately equals your assets minus your liabilities. So it's the ultimate liquidity of your business. If your business went under today, how much would you be able to sell your business for? The answer to that question is in your owner's equity section. But just like everything else that we've talked about in accounting, it is not as simple or as straightforward as math might make it seem. The owner's equity section actually, so I use the term owner's equity, but that's not actually kind of like a blanket term. Owner's equity is generally for sole proprietorships, single member LLCs, and multi-member LLCs. But if you're in a corporation, if you're in a partnership, those words actually change just a little bit, but the concept remains that it is basically your net assets, right? So my definition of owner's equity is the owner's worth in the company, okay? Now, you can be owners of multiple companies. You can have multiple owners of a company, right? So there's different ways you can structure it. But in essence, when I'm explaining this to my clients and I'm explaining what the owner's equity section really means, it's ultimately, very simply, your worth in the company. And just like the other two pieces of your balance sheet, your assets and your liabilities, your owner's equity is from date of inception. Oh gosh, there's something in my eye. It's from the date of inception, okay? So it doesn't actually have much of a date range, though you can look at a date range. But when you're looking at your balance sheet, you're looking at it as of a certain date, and as of that particular date, that is your worth in your company, is your owner's equity. So throughout the week, we're going to basically be doing what we did for the last two topics, right? We're going to break down the topic a little bit every single week. Tomorrow I'm going to talk to you about different categories and different ways of leveraging and different ways of looking at your owner's equity. But today I just wanted to come on real fast and just kind of start the lesson and give you guys a quick definition of what owner's equity is. And let me know if you guys have any questions about that. Like I said, we're going to go pretty deep into it. It seems like it's a very straightforward kind of explanation, very straightforward account, but actually there's a lot to, there actually is a lot to go into. So, my time's up. Goodbye, all. I'll talk to you guys later. See you tomorrow. Bye.